Okay, now go.
Oh, it is on! Yeah. Hey, I'm the birthday boy!
Yeah, and you got string all over you. Oh my gosh. Noah doesn't have any. Get Noah. Get Noah. You're a bad aim, Allie. You're a bad aim.
That feels nice! Guys, you gotta keep moving.
Noah is like the winner. Noah's the winner.
Why?
Because he doesn't have any on him. Oh wait, Hayden doesn't have very much. Allie, you're the loser, man. You got so much on you.
I let Hayden blast me.
Where are you going, Hayden? Oh, I can't get it out of the mulch. Come back down, honey.
I'm out, so are you.
Okay, what a mess. Are you guys done?
No.
Okay.
I'm just doing this stuff so I'm gonna give you a mustache.
Oh, gross. Are you out?
Yeah.
Allie, I think you're out too.
Ow. That hurts.
What'd you do? You sprayed your face?